National Weather Discussion. Severe
Mesocyclone, or not mesocyclone, TVS.
And isolated tornadoes will be maintained through this evening.
Southwest Purcell, Northwest Pauls Valley.
Stretch from near Altus to Chickasha to Norman and Chandler. A dry line stretched from
Look at the Mammatus. We got some.
Everybody okay?
Yep.
Yep.
Where? Mammatus.
They are to the right and up above.
Oh, wow, my gosh.
And ahead.
boundary stretch from near Altus to Chickasha to Norman and Chandler. A dry line stretching from near Lawton southwest to Electra and Benjamin, Texas. Thunderstorms had formed from Seminole to Purcell and Rush Springs, and also just to the east of Wichita Falls near Petrolia.
Oh boy, a prison!
The dry line will slowly retreat westward. Thunderstorm
We're by a prison!
expected to continue well into the evening southeast of the front and dry line. The initial threat from new storms will be very large hail, with the potential for damaging wind gusts and isolated tornadoes being a secondary threat. By 10 p.m., temperatures are forecast to fall into the mid to upper 70s south of
the radar
and into the middle 60s to lower 70s north of the hunt. Thunderstorm
There's a
activity
big
will decrease
split.
in intensity by midnight and may decrease in coverage as well.
It is.
Tornado watch number 180 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the
That tornado for TVS
Cleveland, Lincoln, McLean, and Potawatomi.
is by fire.
Means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and in close to the one area. While severe weather may not
It's got a hook
persons should remain
going.
alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings.
Oh, we got lots of Mammatus.
Oh my God, that's
I wish I could get out and get a good picture.
we will.
Holy!
Moving east at 30
Wow, look at
miles
those.
an hour. Hazards in the
They look like golf balls.
Hail up to the size of $half. Wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Antioch, Cox City, Erin Springs, Lindsay, Maysville, Haley, Payne, and White Peak. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no advance warning.
Those are huge Mammatus. And it looks like they're growing too. I'm getting a video of them.
You're right.
It's a good thing the rain's coming from a backside, that way the camera's protected. Wow.